जय हिंद फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज का वीडियो लेके आया हूँ मैं। पार्ट बी है ये मेरा, जो कि मैं 100 क्वेश्चन केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी एंड फिजिक्स का मैंने स्टार्ट किया था। अभी स्टार्ट करने वाले हम केमिस्ट्री का। साथ में सेम स्ट्रक्चर में आपको बताना चाहूँगा, अगर आप चाहते हो हमारे टेलीग्राम या फिर हमारे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करना, जो कि आने वाले आपके अपकमिंग एसीसी एग्जाम से रिलेटेड जो भी हम अपडेट्स हैं वहाँ प्रोवाइड करते रहते हैं, पीडीएफ भी हम डालते रहते हैं, तो आप इनको ज्वाइन कर सकते हो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक के साथ। साथ साथ अगर आप चाहते हो नोट्स परचेस करना, चाहे आप ACC 1 to 7 दे रहे हो या आप ACC 1 to 8 की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, तो भी आप हमें इस नंबर पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हो अपने आने वाले प्रिपरेशन के लिए। चलिए फिर मैं यहाँ पे वीडियो को स्टार्ट करता हूँ। वीडियो में पहला क्वेश्चन से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। यहाँ पे पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज यूज्ड इन न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर एज अ मॉडरेटर? इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज अ हैवी वाटर, दैट इज़ ड्यूटेरियम ऑक्साइड, DTO। देखिए, हैवी वाटर अगर आपके पास आता है ऑप्शन में, क्वेश्चन में आता है कि व्हाट इज़ हैवी वाटर, तो ड्यूटेरियम ऑक्साइड होता है, वो DTO होता है। Which metal is in liquid state at room temperature, that is gallium? Element are non-metal, that is electronegative. What is known as the artificial silk, that is rayon? Nitrous oxide N2O is also known as a laughing gas. ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, ऑलरेडी रिपीटेड भी है। विच कंपाउंड इज यूज टू प्रिपेयर वाटर प्रूफ क्लोथ्स, दैट इज कैल्शियम हाइड्राइड। विच नॉबल गैस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अ स्ट्रेंजर गैस, दैट इज xenon. Which acid is known as oil of vitriol, that is sulfuric acid? For making of parachute, which polymeric substance used, that is viscose? Acid rain is caused when the air is polluted by gas, that is nitrous oxide and sulfuric oxide. Important one, already repeated one. All noble gas are and colorless and odorless. Dash is used as a water purification, that is alum, जिसको फिटकरी भी कहते हैं. Aluminium is extracted from the ore of bauxite. The process is used to synthesize ammonia, NH3, that is the process called the Haber process. Which compound oblique acid commonly known as aspirin, that is acetylic acid? Gas is used to fill balloon, that is helium. Dash is also known as the Brete water, that is barium hydroxide. Best source of vitamin D are sunlight and fish liver. Which gas is the chief compound of biogas, that is methane? Dash is used to Dash is the purest form of the carbon found in the nature, that is diamond. The chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate. What is the chemical name of chromium acid, that is chromium trioxide? Chemical name of picric acid, that is trinitrophenol. In photography, which chemical used as a fixer, that is sodium thiosulfate? What is used to control the chain reaction in the nuclear reactor, that is cadmium rods? In sunlight, chloroform is converted into poisonous gas, that is phosgene. Which vitamin contains cobalt, that is vitamin B12? DAS is one of the most common preservatives used in food processing industry, that is benzoic acid. Which compound are responsible for permanent hardness of water, that is sulfate and the chlorides of the calcium and magnesium? The temporary hardness of water is caused of because of which compound, that is bicarbonate and the calcium and magnesium? Copper is exerted from which ore, that is copper pyrite? When there is dead organism are transformed into petroleum and natural gas, that is absence of air. Deuterium is of hydrogen, that is isotopes. The weight of iron is when it's undergo the process of rusting, that is increased. Rusted iron का weight ज़्यादा होता है. Efficiency of the catalyst depend on its molecular state. Eggshell is made up of calcium carbonate. Which vitamin are fat soluble, that is A, D, E and K? Which was the first organic compound synthesized in a lab and it was done by whom, that is urea by Frederick Holler? Fuse wire is made up of lead and tin. Dash is used as a post galvanization iron, that is zinc. Which gas are used by sea divers for underwater breathing, that is oxygen and helium? Dash and gases are helpful for repining of raw fruits, that is ethylene and acetylene. The found in an ore is known as gangium, that is impurities. Iron is extracted from which ore, that is hematite. Kerosene is a mixture of aliphatic and hydrocarbons. Which elements is used for making of lead pencil, that is graphite? The lightest metal is lithium. Dash is the main ore of mercury, that is cannabis. Which metal is found in the highest proportion in earth crust, that is aluminium. Mine explosion are most caused by mixture of air and methane. What is the compound used टू ए नेल पॉलिश रिमूवर, दैट इज एसीटोन, जिसको स्प्रिट भी कहते हैं आप लोग कई बार. नेचुरल रबर इज अ पॉलीमर derived from isopropane. The coating of non-stick cook wire is of Teflon. The nuclear fusion on the sun surface result into formation of atom, that is helium. Organic compound are only soluble in non-polar solvent. Dash is also known as a gold that is fool's gold, that is known as the iron pyrite. In an oxidation process happens loss of electrons. Oxides of the material are alkaline. Ozone is a nature diamagnetic. The chemical composition of paper is that of cellulose. Paraffin wax is saturated hydrocarbon. In which type of rock is petroleum is found, that is sedimentary rock. Dash is also called white gold, that is platinum. Which is the purest form of iron, that is wrought iron. Which one is used to extract radium, that is pitch blend. Solder is an alloy of tin and lead. Which radioactive isotope is used in cancer treatment, that is cobalt 60, important one है. Dash is the element common to all acids, that is hydrogen. Dash is created by alloying iron and chromium, that is stainless steel. The luster of metal is due to presence of free electron. Which mineral element is found in chlorophyll, that is magnesium. The most abundant element in the earth crust is oxygen. The term catalyst was coined by John Jacob Berzelius. Which element is the primary reason of radioactivity found in the human body, that is potassium 40. Germanium, an ultra pure matter, is purified by which method, that is zone refilling. Tooth animal is made up of hydroperoxide, a mineral compound of calcium and the phosphate. Which gas is filled inside of the tube light, that is mercury vapor and argon. Dash is an aqueous solution of acetic acid, that is vinegar. Which vitamin are water soluble, that is vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Silver turn black or tannish because of its reaction with sulfur. Melting of ice can be prevented with the use of gelatin. A bee sting contain which acid, that is methonic acid, जिसके वजह से कि आपको ईचिंग होती है वहाँ पे और स्वेलिंग भी हो जाती है. An orange contain acid, that is citric acid. Etching of glass is done with the help of hydrofluorocarbon. Which acid is used in soft drink, that is carbonic acid H2CO3. Silver laudanum is used as seed against for making of artificial rain. Dash is used as a catalyst for the synthesis of sulfuric acid by contact process, that is platinum. Vanaspati ghee is synthesized with the help of which catalyst, that is nickel. Swelling of bread take place because of carbon dioxide. Cigarette lightning contain gas, that is butane. Which gas is used in fire extinguisher, that is carbon dioxide. Dash is termed as the metal of future, that is titanium. Safety matches are prepared using red phosphorus. A photoelectric cell contains metal, that is selenium. Zinc phosphate is used as rat poison. Which is the hardest substance found in the human body, that is tooth animal. Ozone is an of oxygen, that is allotropes. Which metal is a natural antibacterial, that is copper. इसलिए आप लोगों को सजेस्ट किया जाता है कि कॉपर के ग्लास में पानी पियो, उनके बर्तन में खाओ, तो सो आपको वो एक नेचुरल एंटीबायोटिक का काम करती है वहाँ पे. Which was the first element to be produced after Big Bang? That is hydrogen. If you pour a handful of salt into glass of water, the water level will go down. सो ये थे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो कि आपकी केमिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड थे. अगला पार्ट मैं जो आपके लिए लेके आऊँगा वो होगा बायोलॉजी का. सो अगर आप चाहते हो ऐसे ही अच्छे अच्छे कंटेंट देखने आपके एग्जाम से रिलेटेड, सो जो पहली बार चैनल को देख रहे हैं, चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें. अगर वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें. सो वंस अगेन, इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो प्लीज़ लाइक सब्सक्राइब चैनल. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. जय हिंद.